What is up YouTube? How are you guys doing? We're back with another video. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, hey, I appreciate you even giving me a chance. If you are new to even watching this channel right now, you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I am going to be doing a giveaway at 2,000 subs. There's gonna be a certain way that I do it. So make sure you guys are, I guess it'll be like the sneakers app, make sure you guys are interacting with the content. But anyway, man, that's all I could really say. I hope you guys enjoy this new lens that I just picked up. It's like a 10 by 18 millimeter lens. The other one was like, it would only get like such a small space. So hopefully this lens captures more of the area, I guess. But anyway, man, we are going to be unboxing these here. You guys see the thumbnail, you guys see the on feet. It's gonna be a fresh on feet. This is one of the sneakers that kind of went under the radar. It kind of went under the radar because the Travis Scott lows were dropping around that time, the same time that these released. So I feel like these are sneakers that people just pushed off to the side. The resale on these shoes is not bad at all. So I do, if you guys are thinking about picking them up, it's a very affordable price. I believe it is. I know the taxes and fees don't help, but as far as like what it's going for right now on the resale market is not bad. So if you guys are thinking about picking these up, hopefully I could help you make that decision right now. Let's unbox them real quick. From Sneakers app, I did manage to catch a W. Let's crack them open. There's gonna be 5 different materials on these as well. That's why they're called 5 on it. But anyway, this is the Dunk versus AF1 Air Force One. Again, let me know which one you guys like. Do you guys like the Dunk better, or do you guys like the Air Force One? There is going to be another pack dropping. I believe this is the second, and then there's gonna be a third pack dropping here soon. You guys have the same blue box that we had with the Air Forces. There you guys see it right there. Same blue box, AF1. It's got the Undefeated tallies. Of course, this is the Undefeated collab. And there you guys see the price point and the size. Again, with the Undefeated branding. And then you got the Undefeated and Nike branding on this side right here. So pretty cool, man. Nice little presentation, nice little box. The color code is Signal Blue, White, Night Purple. That's my favorite part of the shoe, is gonna be the purple. Nike Dunk Low SP special product is what I'm guessing it stands for. Size 9. I went true to size. If you guys are going to pick these up, I suggest going true to size. I think this is a very true to size sneaker. If anything, sometimes it could run a little bit big depending on the materials. Retail price point is $120. That's suggested retail, 120 bucks. And opening the box, you're gonna have a lot number right here. So y'all see the lot number right there. Let's open this up. Woo. Okay, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Hell yeah. I like it. I'm liking it, man. I'm liking it, bro. Alright, so here they are, guys. Retail grab. I'm super happy to hit on these. Again, 5 different materials. You're gonna have 2 extra laces. Wow, my Nike's already coming off on my Nike branding is already coming off on these laces. If you guys see that right there. But anyway, man. So if you guys get some from StockX and you see that the Nike branding is coming off on the lace bags, you should be all right, man, because these are straight from Nike and it's doing the same thing. So you're gonna have these sail laces, which look really nice. Then you're gonna have these white laces, which to me is a little bit too clean for this sneaker. It's gonna be a little bit too clean putting these white laces on it. I think I'm gonna be sticking with the blue laces. I think the blue laces are really, really nice. Another thing is you're gonna have the tallies on the tongue. And I think that what they should have done was on one shoe they should have done the Undefeated branding, and on the left shoe maybe they should have done the Nike branding. On this shoe I feel like they should have just done Nike branding on this one and Undefeated on the other. Would have been cool. So then we flip them around, and you guys got your Nike branding on the heel. There you guys see it right there. Let me see if I can get my face out of there so you focus a little bit better. But there you guys see it right there, Nike. And then of course you're gonna have this yellowed midsole. To me, it's a little bit too much yellow, too yellow. It's not like a sail, so I think they just did a little bit too much yellow. But then again, it still looks really, really nice. I'm not taking nothing away from the shoe, but I'm just thinking that they just went a little bit too hard on the midsole here. Also, you're gonna have your canvas on the purple, and then you're gonna have your suede. Your suede's gonna be on the swoosh, and of course, let me show you guys here. You're gonna have the snake skin on the mud guard. The canvas is on the med panel. Then you're gonna have your suede on the swoosh, and then right here is gonna be the nubuck, man. Check that out, nice little nubuck. You know, premium snake skin. Then your leather is gonna be right here. So that's gonna make up all your your 5 different materials, you know. So let's go over these materials again. You're gonna have 5. So you're gonna have the snakeskin on the mudguard, you're gonna have the premium leather on the toe box, you're gonna have your canvas on the mid panel, then you're gonna have your suede on the swoosh, and then you're gonna have your nubuck on the heel. So that's gonna be all your 5 different materials. Let me know what you guys think. Is this a pickup for you guys? Did you guys pick these up? You're also going to have that tongue exposed right here with that foam. There's the leather on the toe box. Very nice quality. There you guys see it. Very, very nice quality. These are keepers. I love the purple. Like I said, my favorite part of this shoe is the purple. Let me know what your favorite part is. And then of course you're gonna have the Undefeated branding there as well. So let me know what your guys' favorite part of this shoe is. I will be throwing these on feet for you guys as always, real quick. Just do a little quick on feet for you guys. And I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I am going to be bringing more content out for you guys. I'm gonna have a couple more reviews next week, so if you are new and you want to subscribe to the channel, please do so. Support the channel by sharing, that's all I ask, and hitting the like button. When you guys hit the like button, hopefully we could get to 50 likes on this video. If you guys could get me to 50 likes, man, I appreciate it. I think we've been hitting around 50 likes on the last couple of videos, so that's kind of the goal. I know we could do it, guys. I know you guys are super supportive, and I appreciate y'all so much, man. I really do. Let me know what you guys think. I'm out. It's your boy Jay. We're gonna throw these on feet real quick. Take it easy, never sleazy, and we out, man. Saludos. Latest.